Hello everyone, John Eggins again. Respect the Constitution of Papua New Guinea. The words of the late Sir Julius Chan. Even the Chief Justice, Sir Gibbs Salika, sounded the same at the national house cry of the state funeral of Sir Julius in Port Moresby. Now, why would a founding father who helped with the Constitution and the chief interpreter of the Constitution sound that out? Is there abuse of the Constitution? The PNG Constitution is homegrown. It's a fine document by the Constitutional Planning Committee after extensive consultation throughout the country with people, and it has withstood the test of times in the last 50 years. But when two knights, men of impeccable credentials in Papua New Guinea, say, respect it, is it red, if not a yellow light, that there is abuse or outright disregard of the mother law? Sir Gibb was concerned about the frequent amendment proposals to provisions of the Constitution, often by the government. The reasons are many, but the common one is, if you can't achieve it within the law, then change the law. Then there is the unwitting outright breach of the Constitution. Section 99 of the Mother Law speaks of national unity, a provision put in by our forefathers given the divisive nature of our tribes, our languages, and even the geography of the country. But when governors of two maritime provinces publicly speak out and reject the influx of people from the highlands region based on law and order issues, then is that not breach of the Constitution? There is already evidence of regionalism and ethnicity in Papua New Guinea. The Grand Chief, Sir Michael Samare, Sir John Guise, and Sir Julius Chan would turn in their graves in total disgust that anyone, never mind politicians, would encourage disunity when they stood for unity at the start of independence. One for the 50 years.